Alright, so let's do area of trapezoids and other figures. So let's start with a trapezoid. Alright, so we've got a trapezoid there. And the area of a trapezoid formula is area equals base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2 times your height. And your bases have to be parallel. So the parallel lines on this trapezoid are 8 and 12. So my area would be 8 plus 12 divided by 2. And just like in a triangle, your height has to form a 90 degree with your bases. Since we have 2, I say bases. So our height there is 4. So we do 8 plus 12 is 20. Divided by 2 times 4. So 20 divided by 2 is 10 times 4. So my area equals 40. Let's give this some units. So centimeters. So it would be 40 centimeters squared. Alright, so we got another trapezoid here. And here we have a 90 degree angle as part of the trapezoid. So our height's not on the inside, here it's on the outside. So our formula is still going to be the same. Area equals base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2 times height. So our bases here, our parallel lines are 9 and 15, so it's going to be 9 plus 15 divided by 2 times our height of 9. So 9 plus 15 equals 24 divided by 2 times 9. So area equals 24 divided by 2 is 12 times 9. So 12 times 9 would be 90 plus 18, which would be 108. Let's give these units. Let's call it inches. So 108 inches squared. Alright, now we have a trapezoid with an area of 69 millimeters squared, and we have bases of 8 and 15, and we need to find the height. So we start with our formula. Area equals base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2 times our height. So our area we know is 69 millimeters. Our bases are 8 and 15, and we don't know our height. So first we need to work out the 8 plus 15 divided by 2. So we got 69 equals 8 plus 15 is 23 divided by 2 times our height. So 23 divided by 2 would be 11 and a half times h equals our area of 69. So we're going to divide by 11 and a half. So let's work that out. So 69 divided by 11 and a half. Move it over once, move it over once. So we have 690 divided by 115. It ends in a 0. So got to think it could be 2, 4, 6, 8. And then it's 100 times 6 would be 600. So I'm thinking it's around 6. So let's try 6. So 6 times 5 is 30. Carry the 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. 6 times 1 is 6. So no remainder. So 6. So our height equals 6 millimeters. Alright, so now we're going to put some different shapes together. So here I have this irregular shape composed of a triangle, put that in white, a rectangle, highlight in red, and then a trapezoid at the bottom, and I'll just leave that blue. So let's start with the triangle. So area of a triangle equals base times height divided by 2. I'm just going to use the 1 formula this time. So our height there is 3, and our base would equal 3. So area equals 3 times 3 divided by 2. So our area would equal 3 times 3 is 9 divided by 2. So our area equals 4.5 units squared. I didn't give you units, so anytime you're not given units, you can just say units squared. Alright, next we'll do the rectangle. So area equals length times width or base times height, however you want to do it. It's the same thing either way. So our length and width, our base and height are 3 and 6. So our area would equal 3 times 6, which is 18 units squared. And then our trapezoid, area equals base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2 times our height. So our bases are 3 and 5 because they're the parallel lines. So I got 3 plus 5 divided by 2 times our height of 2. So work this out. Area equals 3 plus 5 is 8 divided by 2 times 2. So 8 divided by 2 is 4 times 2. So my area would equal 8 units squared. So I need to take those three answers and add them together. So I have 8 plus 18 plus 4 and 5/10. So add that up. 8 plus 8 is 16 plus 4 is 20. Carry my 2. So that would be 30 and 5/10 units squared. So anytime you have an irregular figure, just break it into shapes you know, like triangles, trapezoids, rectangles, and find the area of each piece and then add them together.